Hey, if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-house, 1,600 square feet, less than $260,000, I got one for you guys. We're out here in Laurel Mountain Ranch in San Antonio, minutes away outside from SeaWorld and Lackland Air Force Base. And today we got a 3-2 with 1,600 square feet, built in 2011. As you guys know, my name is Hector the Connector. I'm your local real estate agent, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. That way I can continue putting out some content. You guys can see we have double 2-car garage, right? Let's walk on this side. The fence, see we have shade. We have the sun towards the back. You guys a better view of the roof. Let's go ahead and get in here. Alright. Alright guys, so we walk in. Let's log it over here and to the left we have our should be a formal receiving area. He turns his into a bar. The floor here. He turned it into a bar area. Right, you guys can see open concept all the way through. Alright, this way is how the door looks. We have the storm door, it's beautiful. Fans in the bar. Again, beautiful living room. Look at all this space, guys. On this side, we have 2 to 3 bedrooms. This way we have the garage. Won't open it, they have other stuff in there, but 2-car garage. Washer dryer room, laundry room here. And then there's one room. Here's another room. Here they have their guest bathroom and the bathroom they share with those 2 rooms. Normal nice bath with some storage behind here. How much storage? I know you guys want to know, right? So let's go ahead and look. Good storage. All right, again, full-size bed, maybe in a queen. Enough room in here still on the sides to have the side tables. Let's go ahead and look at this living room. You guys can see it has a large section over here. Nice breakfast bar. Look at that, how cool is it? And it's not granite, it seems to be like a mica or something, but it does look sharp. Carpets in the living room, only, not the other rooms. And the master bedroom has carpet, but this kitchen been upgraded. You can see the dark cabinets. 42-inch cabinets here on top. Beautiful home. All right, this will be our dining area on this side. Go ahead and go into the master bathroom and bedroom. Here we go. Has a king size bed. And we have a bathroom here. I want to show you guys the closet. It's a good size closet. Fairly sized. And on this side, we have our double sink bathrooms here. Our tub and toilet on this end. And back over here we have our glass shower. Beautiful home, guys. Less than $260,000. It's a great price. And we're in a beautiful neighborhood. Laurel Mountain Ranch. We have community pools, dog parks, trails. Again, minutes away from Lackland Air Force Base, minutes away from SeaWorld, minutes away from stores like Costco and Walmart. And beautiful, guys. Outside we have a patio and a deck. You guys can see most of the sun sets on this side. So he covered it up back here. Put some shade there. On this end we have some stone patio here. Where you can see like the cook, the barbecue. And then back here we have the main street entrance to the neighborhood. Okay, I should try to see if I can look over the fence for you. All right, let's see that. All right, guys, so down that way is the entrance to the neighborhood. Like that way is the dog park. Sorry, I can't show you. Let's get the side of the house. The unit looks good. The unit sounds good. Here's some extra furniture. I don't see anything wrong with the house. I do see this here where it fell off, but other than that, the house looks in good condition, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.